Okay, so the clip I'm going to show you after I finish saying this, it literally happened 5 minutes ago, but I feel like it needs a little bit of explanation. So I saw him as soon as he walked off of the pedestrian crossing, and my thought was he's going to look when he makes that first step out, go backwards. But I was also ready, hovering over the brake pedal, to obviously stop if he's an actual retard who just thinks traffic can pass through him. My speed didn't alter because I had it set on the cruise control, so you know, my foot could hover over the brake pedal without any issues. But yeah, and then the point at which I did realise he wasn't stopping, slam on the brakes, and literally must have missed him by inches. I don't know how it came up on the camera, but by the time I was stopped, he was nearly next to my window. And yeah, and surprisingly, I didn't actually roll it down and scream at him, despite what my usual videos show. I think I was just in shock, really, at what had happened. I was just completely speechless about the whole thing. But yeah, I'll show it to you now, and just fucking stupid. I'm sure he must have just been staring at his phone and not paying attention. Just one more thing to add as well. I did actually have an oh shit, I'm about to hit someone moment when it was happening. If it didn't show up on the video tour, I did actually dive to the left a touch as well, because, well, I don't really want to hit someone. But yeah, but luckily I didn't. But yeah, kind of shat my pants a touch over that one.